What is the pattern for CAT examination? CAT exam, if you look at the pattern last year, CAT 2020, we have 3-section paper. The exam is divided into 3 sections. 2 hours with total exam time is 2 hours with section wise time limits. What I mean by that? See, sometimes CAT examination gives you, as I said, 3 sections. Every section they'll give you prescribed time, and within that time you should write that section. You can't, after that you can't come back to the first section. Sometimes they'll give you the entire paper and they'll prescribe the time, say 2 hours for the entire paper. Any number of times you can change the sections there. You can come from, after coming to this, you can go back to the first section kind of thing. But now it is not possible because it is section wise time limits. So the 3 sections I have, VARC 26 questions we had in the last year's examination, and the time limit was 40 minutes. Verbal ability and reading comprehension. Then we have data interpretation and logical reasoning section. We had 24 questions, again 40 minutes time. And quantitative aptitude, we have 26 questions and 40 minutes. So total 2 hours with section wise time limits. And now there are multiple choice questions. See, a few years back, all CAT questions used to be only multiple choice questions. But last few years, there are 2 types of questions: multiple choice questions and non-MCQs, non-multiple choice questions, where you will be given a blank. You have to key in the answer there. And each question carries 3 marks. This is the marking pattern, scoring pattern. For every question, 3 marks are given. And for MCQ questions, if the answer is wrong, there is a penalty, negative mark of -1. But for non-MCQ questions, there is no negative marks. For non-MCQ questions, no negative mark. If the answer is wrong, there is no negative mark. Right. That is about 2020. Let's take about 2019, 2018, and 2017. Again, these 3 years, the pattern is same. That's why I've taken all 3 years. You got 3 sections again. The exam time was 3 hours. Again, it was also with section wise time limits. So the first section, VARC, verbal ability, reading comprehension, we have 34 questions, 60 minutes time. DALR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, we had 32 questions and 60 minutes time. Quantitative ability, aptitude, 34 questions and 60 minutes time. So again, we had both the MCQ questions and non-MCQ questions. Scoring pattern is same as CAT 2020. That is, each question carries 3 marks. Each right answer gives you 3 marks. And in case of one wrong answer, there is a penalty or negative mark of -1 for wrong answer. In the case of MCQ questions, non-MCQ questions, as I said, there is no negative mark. So this is the CAT examination pattern, right? So there are 3 sections. First section is verbal ability, reading comprehension. Second section is DA, data interpretation, logical reasoning. Third section is quantitative aptitude.